nine, eight, seven, six, five, four, three, two, one, zero.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning all. I am very happy to be in the midst of you all today. Before I introduce, my name Ivan Firdaus. I am a senior manager of PT Beautiful Sentosa. Hi, I will not talk long because I know your team is very valuable. I only needed 45-90 minutes to explain the latest practical diet with seed effect. The end of the presentation, you will realize that lean is not difficult. Lean does not have to be complicated, and slim can be done in a short time without having to be frustrated without any and seed effect. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. How are you? It was nice to meet you this morning. Okay, before I get to the point, let me explain a few things that many women really want for their bodies, and maybe this is also something that you are dreaming about and you are dreaming. Almost all women want a slim body. Second, almost all women want a healthy body. Third, almost all women want to look energetic. No matter what your profession or activity, I am sure you all want it. But the problem is that easy to do. Regular diet program long and tend to be burdensome body running product on the market. Then is there a lean solution that is easy to do? The process is fast and not burdensome. Is there a safe body slimming product without any side effect? The answer is I solve you soon. Dear ladies and gentlemen, that was information about the superior product that we launched body today. As a company that has served thousands of customers who have gained recognition from beauty experts, we are eager to be able to help and provide the best solution for you. For those of want to look sexy, beautiful and trendy, this product can be obtained only at a price. Yes, you are not mistaken. We sell this product for only. This offer is very cheap compared to similar product that are ordered. This is compared to the benefits that you will. Thank you very much. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.